Good afternoon, students. I will continue the remaining problems. 14 completed. 15th problem of the relations. Okay. These are the multiple choice question. Let R be the relation in the set 1, 2, 3, 4. 15th question. Let it be set A. 1, 2, 3, 4. Given by a relation. One relation given. What is relation? Relation 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 4, 4, 1, 3, 3, 3, 3, 2. Okay. In this reflexive symmetric transitive. Reflexive means out of these four elements we need 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. Okay, 1, 1 is there, 3, 3 is there, 2 is there, 4, 4 not there. So reflexive not. It is not reflexive. It is not reflexive. Okay, is there? Sorry. 1, 1, 2, 2. Oh, okay. It is reflexive. Correct. 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4 is there. So it is reflexive. Next, symmetrical check. 1, 2 is there. Its combination 2, 1 not there. One element corresponding in a not there means that also that is not satisfy the relation. Okay, for 1, 3 also 3, 1 not there. And for 3D also 2, 3 not there. So it is not symmetric. It is not symmetric. Right. Transitive check. 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2. Like that. 1, 2, 2 combination 2, 2, 1, 2. Okay. Next one. 1, 3, 3, 3, 1, 3. Okay. It's also 3, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2. Trans. It is trans. Okay. Right. So reflexive, not symmetric, transitive. Which options? Reflexive and transitive, but not symmetric. So second option is correct answer. Second option is correct answer. Next you look 16th problem. R be the relation in the set n. N means natural numbers. R be the relation in the set n, natural numbers. What is the relation? Relation is equal to A comma B such that A is equal to B minus 2 comma B greater than 6. This is the relation out of these four elements. No, sorry. This is a different problem, not this one. Under set n, set is under set n. R with the relation in the set n means n to n. In the set n means n cross n. N cross n means 1, 1. All natural numbers into natural numbers. What is the product of that one? Okay. B greater than 6. For A, no condition. For A, no condition. First of all, 2, 4 will check out. First option. 2, 4 relation. 2, 4. But given condition B greater than 6. 4 is not greater than 6. So first option wrong. First option wrong. But 2 is equal to 4 minus 2 satisfies. Okay, this relation satisfies, but This 4 not greater than 6. So it is next 3 comma 8. 3 is equal to 8 minus 2, 6. But here 8 b element greater than 6, but it does not satisfy the relation. Does not satisfy the relation. Next third option. 6 comma 8. B means 8 here. 8 greater than 6. Okay. And here a is equal to 6 is equal to 8 minus 2 6. 6 is equal to 6. Okay, it satisfies both condition and both the relation and condition both satisfy. Next fourth option. 8 comma 7. Okay, 7 is greater than 6, but 8 is equal to 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 5. It is not satisfying the relation. Which option is correct answer? Third option is the correct answer. So that students relations from this exercise also one question compulsory will get in board exam. Okay, I'm sure you understood this concept. Everybody wants to revise this concept definitions. What is reflexive, what is symmetric, and what is transitive relation. These three satisfy means equivalence relation. Okay, once you look this exercise problems and examples. Right. Next topic, functions. 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 Already have studied in 11th class, 11th means first PUC about functions. Once again explain. What is a function? So until now we studied relations. We learned relation. What is the relation? A relation is the subset of two non-empty sets of Cartesian product A cross. It is the relation. Okay, now function also derived from the relation. A function is a relation, or else a relation is said to be a function. Relation, a non-empty set from A to B is said to be a function. When you say means, okay, what is the condition? All elements of set A associated with B, with the elements B. All elements of set A associated with the elements of set B. That is one condition. Okay. Second condition. The elements of A associated with the all elements. The elements of A are exist with one and only one element, one and only element in B. Okay, this is the function definition. Okay, good. So here function is denoted by like this one, F maps. A relation is said to be a function from a non-empty set to set B is called a function. All elements of set A associated with B, and the elements of A means all elements of A exist with one and only element in B. By the like the definition, for every element of B means okay, take C. F is a relation A to B set to be a function for every element element X belongs to A, there exists okay. Y belongs to B, there exists a unique element, in A, unique element in A, such that, how such that means, such that x comma f of x, therefore f of x belongs to B. This is the function. X belongs to in A and f of x is this one, a unique element. F of x belongs to that B. So x comma x, f of x, such that x belongs to A. X belongs to, okay, clear? So only one element means a unique element. For examples like this one. So I have some examples. Okay, this is a function. Okay, this is a function. What is function? All elements associated with the elements in B. Okay, all elements, 1 associated with, 2 associated with, 3 associated with, 4 associated with. And one more condition, what? The elements in A exist means associate one and only one element. 1 with A, one element. 2 with A, one element. Here also same. And once you look this one, suppose this one. 2 with C, 3 with D, 4 with D. And here 1 with A, again 1 with B. It is not a function. Why means 2 times? 2 times repeat the first element. 1 comma A, 1 comma B. So it's not repeat as the first element in the function, but it is a relation, but it is not a function. Exist with the one and only a unique element, that is called a function. Okay, right? So this is the function definition. Right. For example, A, B, C, 1, 2. Like this. Previously we explained how many relations. How many relations means 2 to the power of number of elements in A and a number of elements in B. That is 2. Suppose this, how many relations? 3 into 2, 6. Number of relations 2 power 6. Number of relations 2 power 6. Okay, number of functions form also is there. This is the set A. This is the set B. How many functions are possible? This formula is number of n of b power n of a. N of b means here 2 elements. This is 3. So total 8 functions are possible. 8 functions are possible. Okay. So once you look. This is a function. Each element has unique element, exists with the unique element. Okay, this is the function. This is a 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 function. Okay. Total how many functions? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 functions are there. All are different or not? This different, this different. BC, BC. AB, AB combination. AC is total 8 functions. That is the formula. N of B power N of A is equal to 2 cube is equal to 8. Okay. Total number of functions is right. F maps A to B is a function. Here A is called domain and B is called codomain. A is called domain and B is codomain. Okay, this is a function. X belongs to A and this is under here. Here is f of x. Here is f of x. This f of x is called range. All elements f of x are belongs to that B. Domain, all codomain elements not necessary may not be as the range, depend on the function. So x and under the function f of x is called range. Okay, clear? Then suppose f of x is equal to y belongs to B and x belongs to A, y is called image of x. Y is called image of x and x is the pre-image of y is called image of x and x is the pre-image of y. Okay, and also x belongs to A, f of x is called range of function and this range belongs to the set B. Domain, codomain, range already we know. We learned in the first music, domain, codomain and range. In that relation, first elements are called domains and second elements are called range. But which relation is the function? Means otherwise, which function is that also one type of relation. So first of all relation, next function. In that case, first elements are called domains and second elements are called range. Okay, right. And types of functions also is there. What is the types of the functions? Linear function. Suppose f of x is equal to ax plus b. F of x is equal to ax plus b. So this is called a linear function. Y is equal to ax plus b. Constant function. F of x is equal to c. A constant function. What is constant function definition? All domains a single range, that is called constant function. Next, identity function. Y of x is equal to x. Okay, clear? That is nothing but for 1 is equal to 1, 2 is equal to 2, 3 is equal to 3, for minus 1 is equal to minus 1, for minus 2 is equal to minus 2, like that one. This is the identity function. Linear function, constant function and identity function. Rational function, that is in the form of 1 by x. F of x is equal to 1 by x, f of x by g of x. Next important functions, modulus function. Modulus function f of x is equal to mod x. What is the definition of the modulus function? Modulus function is this is equal to x for x greater than or equal to 0 minus x less than 0. This is the modulus function definition. This is the graph of the modulus function. 1 minus 1 2 minus 2 1 2 like this one. Okay, this is the modulus function. Next is signum function. Signum function. What is signum function? This is the graph of the signum function. For x is equal to f of x is equal to minus 1 if x less than 0, 0 if x is equal to 0, 1 if x is equal to x greater than 1. So that implies if x greater than 1, that is 1, x less than 1, that is minus 1. Okay, clear? So this is y is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. That implies this is the signum function. And next our greatest integer function. What is greatest integer function? Step x, which is denoted by step x, denoted by this one, greatest integer function. This is the graph. Okay, this is the graph of the greatest integer function. Okay, that implies, for example, x is equal to minus 1 less than or equal to x less than 0. This is equal to 0 less than or equal to x less than 1, 1 less than or equal to x less than 2, like this one. So this is the greatest. These are the types of some functions studied in the first PUC. This here also learned in this domain. What is modulus function domain? Real numbers. Range non-negative real numbers. Mean that is nothing but including 0 and positive numbers, positive real numbers. Signum function domain is real numbers. Signum function range is same like that only, -1, 0, 1. This is the range. And what is greatest integer function? Greatest integer function domain is R. And range is equal to integers only. Range is equal to integers only. Very important. And logarithmic function and exponential function also is there. What is log function? Logarithmic function is domain is 0 to infinite. Range, this is the domain. And range is real numbers. Range is real numbers. Exponential function domain is equal to real numbers, and range is 0 to infinite. So these are the functions, types of functions. Once again explain what is the function. Function means a relation from a non-empty set to non-empty set B is said to be a function. Every element of A has a unique element exists with a unique element in B. Okay, and set A is called domain, and set B is called codomain. Suppose for example like this one, function f of x is equal to y, where y belongs to B. Here y is called image and x is called pre-image of y is called image of x, right? And f of x is called range of f and belongs to set B. Clear? Right. Next, types of functions. Okay, in the first year we learned that also types of functions. Here, types of functions. Okay, 1 1 overall injective. 1 1 function or injective function. What is the definition? Right. Types of functions. First is 1 1 function. Okay, see. This is the function. Okay. Set in, set B, under M. This is the function. Clear. This is also function. This is the function. This is also function. What is the function definition? All elements associated with the elements in B. Some elements. But a unique element means only one element to associate, means it exists. One with one element. Here 2 also with one element. 3 also one. If suppose 4 with this relation, it is not a function. It is a relation, just a relation. Okay, right. This is the function. Now this is the function. What is one function means? Different elements in A has different images in B. These are the images. One image A under F. Suppose image is our image under one of the reflector, means the mirror. That is something has a image. How much distance from object to that mirror? Image also from that mirror to same distance, like that. That is the image. Under F, one image is A, 2 images B, 3 images C, 4 images D. So different elements have different images. Okay. So this is the type of function is called 1 1. 1 1. One element has only one image. 1 to 1. You observe that one image also A and 2 images also A. So different elements, same image. So many elements. So here many to 1 is called many to 1, not 1 1. It is not 1 1. So what is the definition of one function? Different elements. Different elements have different images. Different images. Okay. One is called pre-image of A. A is called image of 1. Okay. Right. Different image elements have different images. This is the just a simple definition of the 1 1 or injective. Another name is injective function or 1 1 function. Clear? Right. And by theoretically, x1 comma x2 belongs to A. A and B are two non-empty sets. F maps A to B is the function, and x1 comma x2 belongs to A. F of x1 is equal to f of x2 implies that x1 is equal to x2. This also denoted as a 1 1 function definition. f map said to be is said to be unknown function. If x1 comma x2 belongs to A, f of x1 is if f of x1 is equal to f of x2 implies that x1 is equal to x2, then different elements have different images. Or in terms of another way, x1 not equal to x2, that implies that f of x1 not equal to f of x2 is also one function. Okay, but understand students, everybody, what is one function? A function f is said to be one function in this different elements have different images. What is different images? In set A has different images in set B, that is called one function. Otherwise that is many one. So this is many to one function. So first function complete. Next onto function or subjection or subjective onto function. Onto function. What is onto function definition? In this all elements of this is set A, set B. A function f is f map said to be said to be onto function. All elements of B, for all elements of set B exist with at least one element in A. Exist with at least one element in A. That is called onto function. Okay, it is onto function. What is the onto function definition? For all elements of B means codomain. All elements of B exist with at least one element. So here E is remaining. No image means he has no pre-image. He has no pre-image. That is not onto function. This also D and E are has no pre-images. So it is not onto function. Now we'll see. It is onto function. Also one function also. Onto and one. A1, B2, C3, D4. Okay, students? Right. Okay. Which type of function? First look at it is function or not. 1, 2, 3, 4 all has associated with the elements in set B. Associated with the set B. Okay, that is this one. Right. Associated with the set B. And once remember, each element of A map with a unique element. 1 A, okay, no problem. 2 B, okay, unique element. 3 B, unique element. 4 C, unique element. So first of all, it is a function. It is not one function. Why means that different elements has same image. Different elements has same image. So it is not one function. Onto function they said. All elements of B means codomain elements. Codomain elements exist with at least one element or not. Okay, exist. In this function, all elements exist one element. In this two elements, B exists with two elements. So what is the definition? At least one element, but it is two elements, no problem. Right? It is onto function. So this also onto function and also one function. It is not one function but onto. It is not one, not onto. It is one, not onto function. Understand, students? What is onto function? Definition: for each element of for each element of B exist with at least one element, at least one x belongs to A, x belongs to A, such that symbol this one. How they exist means f of x is equal to y. This is the onto function definition. And one more here, A, B, C are called images, and also A, B, C are called range. A, B, C are range. By the definition of the onto function, by looking the diagram and this diagram, these all elements belongs to B, and A, B, C are the range. What is this one? 1A, 2B, 3B, 4C. What is range? A, B, C. What is code of, what are the code of elements? A, B, C. In this, what are the range? A, B, C, D. What are code of elements? That only. What you understand from these two diagrams? F of B, F maps A to be a function. F maps A to be a function. Range is equal to codomain. Directly write like this also. It is onto function. What is range? That only codomain elements. This is also called onto function definition. Onto function definition. Okay, students. Function, types of function, one function and onto function. Bijective function. Next, bisective. Both, it is both, a function is said to be bijective function. Both one and onto satisfy. A function is said to be bisective if it is both one and onto, then f is called bisective function. First injective one, second onto subjective. Next both one and onto is called bisective functions. Okay, for example, F maps A to B means some other section thing. F maps n to n, natural numbers to natural numbers, natural numbers to natural numbers. F of x is equal to 2x. F of x is equal to 2x. See, natural numbers. Natural numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. Natural numbers. Natural numbers. Clear? Right. Here function is f of x is equal to x. Suppose if you take x is equal to 1, what is the answer? 2 into 1, 2. If x is equal to take 2, what is the function? 2 into 2, 4. 3, 6. Suppose 4, 8, 5, 10. Okay, 7, 8, 9, like that. It is one or not? Okay, it is one function. Why means different elements. 1, 2, 2, 4, 3, 6, 4, 8, 5, 10. Different elements are different images. Different elements have different images. But what about 1, 3, 5, 7, 9? What about these elements have no pre-images? For this 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 have no pre-images. Not exist at least one element also. So it is not onto function. Why means depend on set. depend on sets and depend on function. Sometimes it is 1 1 and sometimes it is onto and sometimes it is 1 1 and onto both, sometimes one function. Clear? Understand? If suppose if we take this is R to R. R to R means okay, it satisfies means for example, okay, right there. F maps R to R. Leave it. This is NPN. -1, -2, -3. Okay, sorry. -2, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. This is also R to R. -3, -2, and here I take 0.5 means 1 by 2. 1 by 2, 1. This is 1.5, 2, 3, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. Okay, right. Same, f of x is equal to 2x. If x is equal to -1, f of x is f of -1 value. What is answer? -2. -1, -2. 0, 0. Suppose here -0.5. -0.5 also has a function -1. 2 into -0.5 value 1. 1 by 2, 1. 1, 2. 1.5, 3, 2, 4, like that. Suppose here we want 3.5, real numbers to real numbers. So it satisfies each and every function, each and every element has different images. Means different elements have different images, and all elements of set B pre-images in set A. Means in the domain set. This is domain, this is codomain. So this function under R to R, real numbers to real numbers, it is one function and onto function. But in this case, n to n, natural numbers to natural numbers, only one function, but it is not onto function. Okay, like this students, we'll discuss some more examples in next class and remaining problems of second exercise. Okay.